A warm welcome to the Adelboden-Blauseebahn HO Model Railway. Thank you for your visit. Hope you are all keeping well. I understand the line-up feature was first introduced in TrainController 9 and has been updated since. I have not used it until recently and wanted to pass on my experience in case it was of interest or help. I also have some TrainController news, so let's go. Just in case you're not aware of this is the new TrainController website, and I have included here the address of it. On the Advice and Help page, there is more advice with links for more support. Line up. In these areas it is possible to line up more than one vehicle or train in a single block without connecting them into a continuous train set. This is useful if you want to park several locomotives in a single track of a hidden yard. Also, when the first loco is moved to undertake a duty, all the others automatically move up behind. This is cool. First, we need to enable the lineup facility, and this is done by turning the on-off switch at Frutigen, as you can see. In this example, I will move a loco from OI to Frutigen Platform 1. We'll also instruct TrainController to move another loco from Adelboden P1 to OI when the OI block is clear. You can see the loco leaving OI and arriving in Frutigen. The small loco symbol under the platform illustrates its progress down the platform. You can see the second loco arriving in OI. Next, I will send it on to Frutigen. You can see the new lineup symbol TrainController has used to indicate the facility feature has been enabled in Frutigen Platform 1. You will notice when the second loco arrives at Frutigen Platform 1 and see how it progresses down the platform. The first loco has been sent to Kanda ground. I have moved the second throttle onto the screen so you can see the automatic move up when the first loco is clear of the block. Before looking at lineup, I just wanted to explain some other considerations. I don't really have an ideal location on this railway to use lineup. Therefore, I thought it might be useful if the station at Frutigen Platform 1 could double as a temporary store for locos and also operate as a regular platform. So the reason for this is if we look at the block, obviously I'm in edit mode just now. There are 3 sensors in this block, and I've tried using it with 2, and you need a block that's got 3 sensors. And also I need a method of turning this facility on and off. So I created a simple switch here, and these are the settings. It just turns on and off, and then the system will use lineup or not, depending upon the setting of this switch. Now to look at lineup, you can see here that I'm in edit mode, and you can see all the schedules displayed here. If I come down here and select this icon here, it can show facilities, and you can create a new facility in edit mode by pressing facility and then down to, if I can find it, lineup. Yeah, and it's created a new lineup there, and then you can add from there. But if we look at the one that's already created, you can see the block that's been selected. If I double click on that, you can see some of the settings, where the train should stop and the braking ramp. The usual settings you expect when you're using a block like this. Also, if I right click and bring up the properties, starting, that's the name, the rules, you can see the different settings I've got here. Moving on to trains, there's no train specified, so it'll work on everything. Likewise with the schedules, but in the condition, this is where I use this switch I've previously told you about. When it's on, this lineup works. When it's off, it doesn't work. And basically that's all I did to set it up.